Muda, my name's Athena, and I recently watched your video where you talked about the direction that you want to continue to take your channel. And you asked for your audience to let you know what kind of content they were hoping to see from you. And I would like to submit my 2 cents formally. I am a very tiny content creator and I like to make gaming content, and I am currently feeling very stuck on Windows. I'd like to move to Linux. I've already partially moved over there for my personal computing needs, like budgeting and web browsing and content consumption. However, most of what I use my computer for is content creation, and I feel very stuck on Windows. I currently use OBS to stream to YouTube and to Twitch. I use the StreamElements application to do it. I know most of their stuff is browser, but they do have like a desktop application that handles the multi-streaming for me as like a plugin to OBS. So I'd really like that to continue to work, or I need an alternative. The third thing is that I use an application called Camo Studio. It lets me use an old iPhone as a webcam, and I really don't want to buy a webcam, and I really like how it looks. So I either need Camo Studio to work, or I need an alternative. The fourth thing that I need is I need my games to work. I've been mostly playing PlayStation 1 games for my channel, and so I'd like if Duckstation could continue to work. PSXS2 would also be an acceptable alternative, but I like the CRT filters that I get on Duckstation. So I'm flexible on that one, but I would like to continue using Duckstation. I've already forgotten what number I'm on, but I think 5th thing is that I edit on Davinci Resolve. So I know that that works on Linux. But here's your curveball. I'm currently running an NVIDIA GPU. I am running an AMD CPU. It does not have integrated graphics. It's an older AM4 CPU, but I am running an NVIDIA GPU. I don't make a ton of videos, so it's not like I need the hardware accelerated video editing stuff. I can make do. I'm not doing this professionally. And I think that's all of the major things that I need to work. I need OBS to work, easy peasy. I need StreamElements or an alternative. I need Camo for my webcam or an alternative. I need Duckstation for my games or an alternative. And I need Davinci to work or an alternative. So you asked about what we'd like to see, and this is my formal request to you for how to help me make that happen, especially without buying new hardware. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for your videos. First time watcher, first time caller. Thank you. Have a great night or morning or whenever you're seeing this. And anyone else who watches, thank you. Bye. Oh, your feedback is also welcome. I just want to be able to move off of Windows. Thanks.